In recent times, since the lockdown was partially lifted a few months ago, public transportation was permitted to function in even and odd registration number alternatively. The seating capacity of local taxis was limited to 3 passengers and the rate hike understandably. For example, the cab fare from Meghalaya to Motran went up to 30 rupees. The usual rate before the pandemic was 15 rupees. Same goes from Motran to Police Bazaar went up to rupees 20. However, the matter has come to establish of being an advantage for the local taxis as they have started to maximize the seating capacity and still charge the amount of 30 rupees or more in other areas. Speaking on this, the District Transport Officer R. Hinch said that the local taxis have been to limit the seating capacity to 3 as per government notification. But if they are found guilty of such illegal charge rates and violating the order, they will be punished accordingly. And on buses, the seating arrangement is said to be of 50% capacity, yet when evening creeps in, it's loaded. The officer said that there will be a checking of such incidents, but so far there had been no complaints except the one from the Dept Youth Council, Riwar Mingi. If complaints is being issued to the department, it will take necessary measures. The DTO expressed that the department has limited manpower to carry out the workforce, which is why it has become a difficult task to cross-check all the files on public transport-related violations, which is why regular checking is getting hindered.
Ingin saya cek iki nomor nimpat yo komplain do muta dari kita siyo muta menai dengan tulisan HYC nak riwat. Dan next month is sedang macet nomor tu muta nimpat yo komplain dengan sekawero miduna pelat teman pula min teman pula. Layak komplain ini sedang next month. Luar demut ngit kumbalong muta shoot enforcement ni tentang armon inspektor tergemla man kobar di kamera nama dihap iduti jong kibon village sepi idon bridge iduti gitu dipit gi kelang-kelang guys tak tahu guys tu jadi gelang demi nak dan check regularly kan jadi